I want to do is balance. And this is more balance within the body and from the left and right sides of the body in particular. So I'm going to, and this hand symbol is also placed at the solar plexus, which is around the belly button. So that's where I'm going to focus my attention. Putting the fingertips together and lowering to my belly and breathing. So for me, the sounds oscillated up and down from the belly button, just a little, and then out into my fingertips, back and forth, with the second tone vibrating much stronger in the belly than the first. So the suggestion is to try to imitate the sound as best you can, in addition to the hand symbol, to give you the fullest effect. And then to sense the balance in your body between right and left sides. And as I do that, I feel that the left side has a greater thickness or coating on it versus the right side seems more open and yet less protected. So experiment with that and see what sensations you have, and notice when you feel like you're in balance and when you're not in balance with regard to the left and right sides.